my filming area only because I just came home from work. I changed my shirt. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. I may look a little shiny. I don't know if it's the lights or what. Makeup on except for eye makeup, y'all, but this is the I'm gonna get y'all in trouble channel. That's all I'm gonna say, because I honestly, you all, I don't know why I just purchased this item, but I did. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it today, and maybe in a few days I'll do a more about the item, because like I said, I just came home. I didn't feel like doing anything. I may share a little something with y'all. Let me go ahead and get the item, y'all. But real quick, y'all, I got me some California rolls from Samsung. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, y'all. But what else to say at this point, y'all? I have a problem, y'all. Like, send help. Yep, here it go. I'm telling you, I have a problem. I do. So here is the card that came with the item, and it says, "I love you." It came in like a little envelope style, because last time it comes in like the envelope with your what is it called, receipt. I still got the Christmas packaging. Yeah, still giving out the bags. I just noticed that Louis Vuitton now have like an option when you about to check out, if you want to get a bag with your item. I was like, okay, catch up, because Gucci been giving you bags with your online orders. I know, y'all, I know. Yeah, I'm not even gonna talk. I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox. Y'all, it's to the point where I even know how to wrap the bows. This item is new in color. Look at the packaging. Look how cute. They like, you know what? I think it's always been tissue paper. It might just be me. This is the Christmas wrapping stuff. The dust bag. I'll show you, because you know I'll get to talking. So I ended up purchasing this little baby. I wanted to purchase because I wanted to get it home so I can make sure I'm loving it 100%. If y'all didn't know, I do love small little bags. And this here, for this bag to be so small, it holds a lot. And I remember wanting to purchase this before, but the problem with this that I didn't like was the fact that it was just like way too long for me. Like, okay, when I saw the new design or new color or whatever you want to call it, I was like, okay, let's check it out. So y'all know, well, if y'all don't know, I want the bum bag by Louis Vuitton, and that's not available right now. I'm sure sometime soon it will be, because if not, if it still bothers me, I may just have to special order the bag, but I don't really want to do that right now, so I'll wait. But this thing is just so cute. Like, do you see how little and cute this is? It's so little, you all. Let me see how it looks on, because that's what I didn't like, the fact that it was way too long for me. So what I'm trying to do is stick this strap in this little piece here. So I'm glad it's a little tight like that, but I'm just having a hard time pushing it in. The only thing with this being like that, it do hang down like this, and I don't understand. Okay, I probably just, okay, I don't know how that's gonna work, because you see how it hangs down to where as though it's like hanging over the leather. And if you're not as short as me, you probably won't have to worry about that. So let's see. Okay, it fits nice on, I guess. It's real little. So so what I'm gonna do really quick is I'm gonna grab some stuff just so we can see what can fit in here really quick. So give me 1 second of the video. I wanted to grab something so we can see what can fit in here really quick. I wanted to make sure my iPhone can fit in here with the Gucci cards. And I also like the fact that it came with this here little keychain thing where you can attach your keys. And clearly I will not be attaching my keys because they are way too big. These here will stay like on my wrist, so I'm not really worried about my keys. Inside of the bag is microfiber. You do have a slip pocket here. I'm not sure what I will put in here, but you do have a slip pocket, and it says Gucci made in Italy. It would drive me crazy. I'm not gonna lie, like this here would really drive me crazy. So I don't know, y'all. Here you do have a zipper pocket, and we're gonna see what can fit in here. We have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's see if that can fit. Oh, and if I didn't mention, this here is detachable. So if for whatever reason you don't want it inside of the bag, you can take it off. And I am going to take it off only because I'm just taking it off. The iPhone 12 Pro Max do fit perfectly inside. This particular bag, I will not need to carry a big wallet, but since I don't have my small wallet right now, I'm just going to use this to see if it fits. So as you can see, it do fit. My AirPods will not fit in this case. Now I think if I take it out the case, they may fit. AirPods, y'all, like I do. So I probably will tuck that on the side. See here, on this side, they do fit. Can you see? So with this bag, of course, you can't carry everything, but so far it's carrying what I need, which is a good thing. Okay, we need lotion. This is my work face mask, so let's see if we can tuck that in there. So as you see, that face mask can also fit. And let's try one more thing. Let me grab something. Okay, I poured 2 different lip glosses just to see which one can fit, because as you can see, the Hourglass is a little thinner. It's not as bulky as this here lip gloss, but we just gonna try both. So yeah, that's too bulky. All right, the Hourglass. Okay, that's not gonna fit neither. Okay, so the Hourglass don't fit. Not sure what you can put in here. I don't know. Let's see. Like I told you, I don't carry gum in my bag, so I don't want to put gum in here. My Laneige lip balm, as you can see, is almost gone, but I just wanted to see if this can fit. So yeah, that's a little too bulky. I don't know what. I think I saw some. You know what? I think it was a Chanel lip gloss she put in here. We have a pen, so let's try the pen. So a pen can fit in here. So for whatever reason, if you need to carry a pen, it will fit. Me personally, I'll be scared to carry a pen in here, but it do fit. I have room in the inside of my bag for both lip glosses. The reason I need both lip glosses, I do have room for that. And with this particular bag, I wouldn't carry that particular Louis Vuitton card case because of the fact that it's a little too bulky. Even though it fit, I would want room for more things. So with this, I probably will pull out one of my card cases from Gucci, and that's that yellow one. So let's see now how it fits on the body. Is the bag. So it feels a lot better with something in here, like it hangs better, I guess because it has weight to it. Just that this here will drive me crazy. Like this, I don't know what I would do with this part. When I tell you all, I was not looking for this particular item. I was just on the Gucci website. This particular item, it was like, oh my gosh, I want to bring this home and see how I like it. So far so good. Like this is one of them grab and go type of bags, like if you run into the grocery store, getting your hair done, going shopping, and you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. Like I said, if I didn't have this here wallet in the inside, I will have a lot more room. I will have a lot more room for other things, but for the sake of the video, I just threw that in there. And I'm gonna show you really quick, because I do have a bigger wallet, Victorine wallet, which is this. And let's see if this fits. Oh yeah, that do fit. So technically, I don't have to downsize my wallet if I don't want to. I can use a full-size wallet, and I still have my AirPods, my iPhone. I can still fit my lotion, 2 lip glosses, and it still zips. I don't know why I thought this bag was one of those bags that didn't hold a lot. Clearly it do. The only thing is I can't keep my AirPod case on if I'm carrying this bag, but that's fine, because I also took this out. Like, I don't think I could put keys in here, because as you can see, she is packed. This will be something. I'm gonna take this out, because I don't need no pin marks on my bag. Like, this is one of them items I probably would just keep in here, just to, you know, keep it all together. And like I said, I don't have nothing in the back pocket, but it can fit like one of these little booklets. A few more things so we can see. I did do an unboxing on this, so make sure you look out for that video. Not sure which one is gonna go out first. And I did bring my little pill holders. Just take this lip gloss out. And let's just say I need my medicine. I have my iron pills in here and some like Tylenol, because I sometimes get headaches, so that's what I have in here. Nothing like medication or anything, just iron pills and Tylenol. And then I have my lipstick. Let's see. Okay, and she closes, you all. Like, this little thing holds a lot. I will link this down below just in case you want to check this out. And if I didn't mention, this do have a card case with it. And if I decide to keep her, I think I may purchase the card case, because I do want this to be like matchy-matchy. That being said, you all, give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on my subscribe button, because y'all, it really will help out my channel, because this year I am trying to reach 10,000 and more, y'all. So January, I'm claiming it in the name of Jesus. I'm going to get to 10,000 by the end of the 2022, because if not, I think I'm gonna just give up, because there's no way it should take me a full year to get to 10,000 when I see some people get to 10,000 in days, and I'm like struggling. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a block on my channel. I don't know, because I'm just like, okay, what is wrong? Like, what's wrong? Who's not subscribed, y'all, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Help your girl out to reach her goal. Yeah, I'm just having fun, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having fun. I'm working hard, so I just feel like, you know, why not? And plus, this is my year to shine, because I turned 45 this year, y'all. Like, yes, hunty, 45. So yeah, I said, you all, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.